Let us understand why ITEC is special in AI and DS development. We organized a course by taking example as our known AI product Google Assistant. To design Google Assistant, we need Python developing skills, data analyst skills, data scientist skills with machine learning, deep learning, NLU, NLP. These all things we are going to cover in our course within 3 months of the duration. And we prepared very detailed level material. We prepared, you can notice here, core Python and core Python level projects, advanced Python and advanced level Python projects. Then we have the data analysis, that kind of projects, machine learning and projects, deep learning and respective projects, NLU, NLP and respective projects. Okay, so we are specialized in AI product, and we are providing classroom training, online training, video based, and we are providing chapter wise materials. We are providing videos also. We are providing from our website called as rrit.com, including certification. If you needed IBM certification, we are also providing the IBM certification also. 20 plus projects are available. 16 plus years of experience we hold it here in this field.